Hello, today we're going to have a look at how to create a wall indent. Wall indents or niches allow you to create frame spaces on the wall for art, to hang a TV, etc. First, in the layout step, select the wall for the niche. In the panel on the right, reduce the wall thickness by 1 inch. Usually it reduces 7 inches. Next, add another wall adjacent to the 7-inch wall from the previous step. With the new wall selected, in the right panel, reduce the wall thickness down to 1 inch. This will leave you with a very thin wall. The 1-inch wall makes up for the 1-inch thickness lost in the first, causing no change to the blueprints. Move the thin wall directly behind the 7-inch wall. Note, if the magnetic feature pulls the 1-inch wall into the 7-inch wall, use the arrows on your keyboard to move the wall closer or further without collapsing into each other. You want both walls to be placed extremely close to each other. Then in the room opening step, scroll down the catalog to openings. Select the opening of your choice. For our example, we will use a half round arch. Select the arch and place it in the 7-inch wall, in the space you want your wall indent. With the arch still selected in the right panel, adjust the dimensions of the openings to fit your needs. To lift the opening from the floor, in the right panel, increase the measurements of the sill option to the desired placement on the wall. You should be able to add wall art, mirrors, or change the materials in the furnishings and material step. That's it. Now it's your turn to customize your project. Feel free to contact us at the email provided with any questions. Our support team is always available to help.